Yeah, I'm standing in the middle of Shady Avenue, folks. There's my illustrious fiance. We're going to lose her in the snow. I'm going this way to my vehicle. Those sirens you're hearing in the background are about the only sign of intelligent life I've seen in a while. People are starting to come out a little bit, and I can actually see the sun. I'm not going to show it to you because that just seems silly. Now, here's my car. As I showed you earlier, I had totally cleaned it off, and it's again buried. So, that's the attempts I made at it. Alright, let's try to get this. I'm going to stop recording while I do this. We're recording. Alright, actually, folks, before Jenny goes nuts here, with a cookie tray, mind you, this is where we've come to. Jen, if you could hand me the cookie tray real quick. And actually, take the cookie tray back. I lied. Okay, here's what you're going to grab the camera.
I can't.
What I want you to do, Jen,
yeah?
at the roof of your car, you're not tall enough.
No.
Here's what we're going to do. Folks, that's how much snow's on top of her car. Jen, if you could go stand a little close to the part I just cut out.
I'm right from the bottom of my car.
Jen, if you could stand there for me real quick. Now, I want you to notice her head's about the bottom of that, which means there is more than a head of snow out here. My hands are frozen because I didn't wear big gloves.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
The streets have become the commerce for people walking, and I can't say I blame anyone for that. All right. Well, Jen said I could just film her while she does this. So.
Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna try and open the door to get my sweepy thing. If it's part of reach. Oh, that's frightening.
What is?
Being inside the completely snow-covered car.
I kind of want to get in there now.
No, it's creepy. It's horror movie.
So anyway, here's some people working. Lady walking down the street. Ow. I mean, I'm standing in the middle of Shady Avenue here, folks. That's going down towards Monitor. And that's up towards Marfield. Squirrel Hill tunnels are directly below us. And I've stood here for, I'd say, a good solid minute now. And there ain't a person coming. In any direction. Pittsburgh, folks, is officially paralyzed. Now let's go back to Jenny and see what she's doing. Now, you'll notice here, folks, as I back up across the street, the level of snow in her car is impressive. Oh, and actually there's a log on that power line above her that has given me some pause. At any rate, you'll notice, folks, that the level of snow in her car is quite impressive. But what's more impressive is the level of snow in front of her car. She's now beckoning me back.
I need you to hold me up.
She needs me to hold her up. And we're back. I've got some better gloves on now. So as Jenny continues to, gross. What's that? Yes, I'm positive. So, thought we'd take you on a little bit of a tour while I'm out here. So, excuse me while I'm out of breath. I spent hours and hours waking up, and I'm quoting again. This is some guy thought he could get out. And, well, he was wrong. I will refrain from saying what a mess this time. Alright, so I'm trying to be creepy and film other people. I'm just kind of showing you what's up.
Do I have my what? Yeah.
It's still snowing too, by the way. It's 12:30 and it's still snowing. There's Moorfield. Quite the desolation. Here's Shady. I'm out at the very tip top of Shady Avenue. And if you notice, well, this is kind of what I imagine the zombie apocalypse will look like. Now, there's a light down there. It appears to be out, which would tell me there's certain elements of Squirrel Hill that have no longer power. We, however, do have power. So either that's a temporary thing, or we're about to go in the dark, which would just make this really all the more tragic. I understand many of you don't have power, and my condolences are with you and your families at this difficult time. So now, oh boy. Alright. Let's go back to Jenny. Look at that trees. They slip and fall. I'll stop talking for a while. How you doing, babe?
It's a car. Playing classical music.
It's amazing the things you find in the snow, isn't it?
Can I keep it?
There's my building. Covered in snow. There's my fiancé, soon to be covered in snow. Someday the kids will see this.
Hi. Keys, please.
I love you.
I love you. The camera now. There is Sean. And he's going to relieve the trees of some of their burden. This could be funny.
Ready?
Yep. Kind of what it looked like last night.
What's that?
Kind of what it looked like last night. I don't know how to zoom, so we're just going to stay right here. Medium focus. It's working for us. Get the lower ones over here. Even the trees need help on a day like today. Whee!
Is that looking better?
Yeah. Just gonna pan around. There's my car right there. Let's see. Spent about half hour clearing him off so he doesn't get snow plowed. Ooh, I can zoom. Zooming back out and panning. This is up Shady Avenue. It really is pretty. Can't even see the skyline because the visibility is so bad off Marverfield. And there's the abominable snowman.